For men, mate retention behavior is simply defined as inflicting costs on the woman to thwart the potential of partner infidelity, to prevent partner defection, and to decrease the woman's self-esteem, reduce social support system, and render the pursuit of alternative relationships impossible. So when there is sort of like a low value man with maybe like a low value woman, it's almost like they don't really want to be in that relationship, but they don't have anywhere else to go. So then they will do all that they can to inflict costs, maybe exercise some jealousy, maybe tell the woman that she is hanging out with her family too much, right? Try to isolate. If it was a high value woman, he would be less likely to do that because he would be afraid to lose the woman. However, mate retention behavior could backfire on the man because the cost-inflicting behavior might push the woman to observe an alternative relationship more attractive. Now, this can honestly happen at either low value or high value mates. That if her husband or partner has a friend who comes over and they're both considered maybe low value, to her, if her man is consistently exercising jealousy, messing with her self-esteem, she might find his friend of better mate value than her current husband or long-term partner. So sometimes, messing with someone's self-esteem oftentimes pushes people to find someone to kind of stroke their self-esteem. That's why you have people stepping out on their partners oftentimes. If cost-inflicting behavior does not work as a viable strategy, then men always use the benefits that thwart infidelity. So if you just can't use enough jealousy and envy and isolation and self-esteem efforts to sort of keep the woman on the hook, so to speak, then it might be better for you to provide benefits, and we're going to get into that now.